skateboard no wheels. Skateboard with wheels. What I do is today I'm sick, so I'm not allowed to go outside. And I mean, when you're sick, you have nothing to do. So I've just been playing around on this all day. And I've learned a couple new stuff I have to try on my real skateboard whenever I'm not sick and I actually get back to the park. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try the impossible. See, that was a 360 shove it. There's just a lot to this trick. I keep wanting to do 360 shoves. I don't know if it's just because natural foot motion is around instead of like that or what, but I get it sometimes. Like that. A little bit more vertical, and I have them